Hi Mahesh,
Hi, ma'am.
how are you?
I'm fine. How are you, ma'am?
Yeah, I'm good. Like this is Divya from Quality Department. And today I want to take a feedback video from your side. Before starting that, congratulations for your placements.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, Mahesh, introduce yourself and about your college.
So, my name is Mahesh. I have studied in REVA University. In the year 2021, I have completed.
Mahesh, CMTI Institute ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು?
CMT ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನನಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಇಂದ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. ಅವರು ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದನೇ ಪಾಸ್ಔಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಜಾಬ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರು.
Okay, that's nice. Like ಯಾವ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ನೀವು ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ನಾನು IDMTI ಇಂಟೀರಿಯರ್ ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಬ್ಯಾಚ್.
ಆನ್ಲೈನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಲೈಕ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಗೆ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು? ಏನೇನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್, ಹೊಸ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ಸ್ ನೀವು ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೆ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ಸ್ ನಾನು ಸ್ಕೆಚ್ಅಪ್, ಆಟೋಕ್ಯಾಡ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ರೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಈ ತರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಕವರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಓಕೆ, ಲೈಕ್ ಟ್ರೈನರ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಗಿತ್ತು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ? ಹೌ ವಾಸ್ ದ ಟ್ರೈನರ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್?
ಟ್ರೈನರ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು. ನಂಗೆ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಆಫ್ಲೈನ್ ತರಾನೇ ಸೇಮ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ತುಂಬಾ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಏನು ತೊಂದರೆ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ.
ಓಕೆ, ಲೈಕ್ ಹೌ ವಾಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವ್ಯೂ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್? ಲೈಕ್ ಹೌ ಯು ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯುವರ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವ್ಯೂ?
Interview procedure, I started preparing interviews from my home, and for that preparation, and all teachers helped me, and the guidance of Ashok sir and Deepa ma'am was very helpful.
ಮಹೇಶ್, ಲೈಕ್ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೂ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಹೇಗೆ, ಲೈಕ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವ್ಯೂ ಆರ್ ಹೌ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್?
ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾನು ಐಶ್ವರ್ಯ ಇಂಟೀರಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಸೈಟ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್. ಆ ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ ಐ ಗಾಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ CMTI.
Okay, now at present, for which role you have selected for?
Present, I selected for junior interior designer.
Okay, like how is your experience? Like in main motivation in the field na change madodike, like as a site, and now you are working as a designer, right? How was your preparation? And
From day one, I was interested into designing, but as I didn't have any industry knowledge, I wanted to gain some knowledge, so I joined as a site engineer. First, I worked for 1 year. Then later on, I wanted to switch to design role. So I again gave interview. Now I selected into design field.
okay, I think you are happy with your placement.
Yes, ma'am, I'm happy with the placement.
Okay, like finally, what you want to say to your friends and juniors who is willing to attend interview or who wants to take part in CMT, right? For them, what you want to suggest?
As a fresher, we don't have any prior experience or any knowledge about the industry. So we should first get into the opportunities what we get at our hands. Then once we get into the industry, after 1 year, after not gaining the knowledge, we can change our interested roles.
Okay, Mahesh. That was nice talking with you. Thank you for your feedback. Have a bright future. Congratulations for your placements.
Thank you.